Hey, what's going on, fellas? Ross Minchev in the house, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest and most powerful strategies that you can use to make $100 or more per day in affiliate commissions on the ClickBank platform. This is a very beginners friendly strategy. You don't have to invest any money, you don't have to buy any traffic, and also you don't have to have your own website. Literally, you have to do a couple of clicks, which I'm going to show you in just a second, and the system will be completed. We're going to be using a special underground website which is going to help us make our money, and you're going to see how and why right now. So without further ado, go over to clickbank.com if you don't have an account there. Sign up as an affiliate, because this is the place where we're going to be sourcing our affiliate offers so we can get paid. So sign up to clickbank.com, and after you sign up, go over to the marketplace here at the top right corner. Click the marketplace, and in here, go over to where it says find products field, and just click the magnifier glass. In order to make $100 per day, we want to find offers or products that pay us at least $100 per conversion. That means if we make one conversion per day or one sale, we're going to be making $100, which is what we want. So how to do that? On the left side where it says filters, go over to the field where it says average dollars per conversion and bump that to $100. So let's do this, $100. There we go. Now ClickBank is going to give us only offers that pay $100 or more. This is what we want. Scroll down, look at all the offers, but I'm going to click the second page because I found a pretty good offer here on the second page, which is called revision, and it's about an offer for people who have problem with their eyes, with their vision, and it helps them cure their vision problems. This offer pays $130. So it means if I make one sale a day, I'm gonna be making $130, which is pretty cool. Also, this offer has a gravity of 57, which is above 50, which is kind of in the low range, but it's still good gravity. So what we want to do from here, if we click promote this button, we're going to generate our affiliate hop links. So here this button says generate hop links. When I click that, this is our unique affiliate link, and every time somebody clicks this link and purchases the product, we're going to get paid $130. So this is what we want, and I'm going to show you in just a second how to find buyers or people who want to click your link and purchase the product. But for now, let's highlight this link, copy it, go over to Google or to your browser and paste it to see how the offer looks like. So let's paste. This is of course again our unique affiliate link. This is how the website looks like, the natural way to supercharge and maintain a healthy brain and vision. This is how it looks like. Pretty good, pretty stylish looking a website. So this is what we're going to be promoting. Now, after we have everything here, what we want to do, we want to open our special website where we're going to be driving our traffic. This is where we're going to be sourcing our people or buyers. And by the way, before we go, hit the like button of this video, because otherwise I'm gonna get depressed. No, I'm just kidding. I'm already depressed. Anyway, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the like button if you like the information so far, but there is a lot more information and cool stuff coming in. So let's go. And the name of the special website is called Herculist.com. Remember that? Herculist.com. This website is going to send our affiliate link to thousands of people on a daily basis. As you can see, premium systems advertise to thousands daily and for free. This is awesome. This is what we want. This is how we're going to get our free traffic. And on top of that, when you sign up, you're going to get a $5 sign up bonus, and you're going to see how it works in just a second. So go to Herculist.com and sign up, and I'm going to walk you through the sign up process. So let's click sign up, and you're going to see how it works. Everything is going to come up together. If you're not getting it yet, don't worry. By the end of this video, you're going to get like the entire picture. But for now, let's click sign up, this button, and in here we want to create an account for Herculist. So what we want to do, leave your name. So put your first name, my name is Ross, then the second name, put your second name. Where did you hear about us? You can leave that blank, or you can just say YouTube, because you're watching this video on YouTube. So I'm gonna say YouTube. There we go. And then we want to create a username. So the username, usually what I do here, I'm going to say something like RSS. Let me delete that. RSSS 7893, just random letters and random numbers, and then of course create a password. So let me create a password here, and I have to match this password down here, and I'm going to type it again. There we go. Now here is something very important: subscribe email. Now what that means, this system, Hercules.com, is an email system provider. Now you don't have to write your emails, because I'm going to show you how you just copy a bunch of emails. But how it works, it sends thousands of emails to real people in real time. So they're going to send your affiliate links to real people in their email inboxes. So for that purpose, here when you're signing up, where it says subscriber email required, you have to use a very recognizable email. They say Gmail recommended. What I recommend is just create a new Gmail account to use it here. Don't use random letters, random numbers. Use something that is recognizable. In this example, I'm going to be using a very weird email, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to use this email, Tom85059, and here I'm going to click this box, and when I click it, you see this email is going to be populated down below. So next step is go over to the terms and service, read them. If you agree with them, click you agree with them, click I'm not a robot, and now click create an account, and boom. So I don't want to do that right now. So this is very important as well. Here, before we sign up, Hercules gives us options to go for free, to go with the Gold, or go with the Pro. So the free version of our account is going to give us daily plain text emails, web-based, to 8,000 people. So 1,000 people every single day will see our affiliate links from our emails, which I'm going to show you how you build them for free and without any copywriting skills in just a second. But after you start making some sales, after you start making some conversions, you can jump to the Gold, because the Gold is a paid version, and then to the Pro. The free account is going to again give you $5 sign up bonus. So let's click continue with the free, because we have a lot more work to do. Boom, there we go. This is our dashboard. So kickstart your Launchpad popular Hercules tools in one place. So what we want to do here, you have different tools that you can use to promote your affiliate links, but today we're going to focus on this one, submit email web ad. And you need to confirm your email, the one you just used to sign up. So confirm that, and once you do that, just click here, and boom. So once you click that, this is what you're going to see once you have confirmed your emails. So make sure to read the rules right here on the left side. Now this is the dashboard. I'm showing you again. Submit an ad. We're submitting a free advertisement to thousands of people. They have rules. Please read the rules right here on the left side. So as you can see, no illegal, and this word I can't say it out loud on YouTube. I don't want to get in trouble, but you see, don't do any illegal business opportunities in your emails. No subject lines such as account terminated or any other subject lines that are made to appear to be coming from a Hercules admin. No subject lines like you have a new member or you have received a payment from. These are spammy and scammy topics or headlines. Don't use them. And again, don't use offensive language, because you're going to be terminated and suspended from a Hercules marketplace or platform. Scroll down here, and this is where we're going to create our magic. We're going to create an email, and we're going to send this email to thousands of people. And yes, now maybe you're asking yourself, or maybe asking me, hey Ross, but I'm not a professional copywriter. How should I create an email? Well, ClickBank have thought about it, so they have done the job for you. You don't have to write your emails. So what we just want to do, go back to ClickBank, right here at our offer revision, right? This is our offer. And here where it says affiliate page, click this, open this on a new tab. This is the affiliate marketplace market page from the vendor who owns this offer revision. So these people have done their homework. I mean, they've done the homework for us, our homework. And if we scroll down on this page, we're going to see different marketing materials that will help us promote their products. And look at this, what it says here, email swipes. They have already done the job for us. They have written a bunch of emails that we can use in our promotions. So let's go and download these emails. Click here, and I'm going to click and save this on my computer. And right here down below, I'm going to open the file we just downloaded from revision. Let's see how it looks like, and boom, these are professionally written emails by professional copywriters that we can use in our promotions. So what we need to do, you see this subject line, what vision problems do to your brain, which is pretty strong title. Or we can use this one, huge vision improvement in 14 days. Subject, this is subject. So literally what we do, we highlight this subject, copy this, we go back to Hercules right here, and where it says subject line, you see this is the place where we paste that subject. So let's click, and I'm going to click paste, huge vision improvement in 14 days. Then the next step is to create a test URL. This is your URL from ClickBank. So what we want to do here is go back to ClickBank, to the actual offer, the revision offer, click again promote, the promote button, and generate again your hop link or your affiliate link. Generate hop link. I'm going to highlight it or click this icon right here to copy this link, and go back to Hercules and paste this link right here. Boom. And now add body, we're going to take from our email swipes that we just downloaded. So here it says, you see it says body right here, and here also says body. So this is our email body. And what we're going to do, we're going to just highlight the text where it says, here it is, prove that your eyeglasses or contact lenses are simply band-aids and neutralize the effect of poor vision habits, blah blah blah. So let's highlight this. Oops, where it went. Okay, there we go. So I'm highlighting this text, I'm copying it. So copy this text, paste it right here. I'm going to enlarge this so we can have some more freedom. Then go back to the text, and here where it says over 40,000 women and men are using a simple and secret trick to reverse their vision problems. So we copy this as well, or I'm going to copy it, yeah, just here till the bottom. This is the entire text, copying it again, and then I'm going to paste it right here, and boom, this is how it works. So what I recommend is highlight this affiliate ClickBank URL, copy this, and here what we're going to say, I'm going to add something from me, and I'm going to say here, to see how it works, click the link below, and I'm going to put column, and I'm going to paste the link that I just copied, paste it here, but in front of the link I'm going to put equal and greater sign, so it's like an arrow. This is a cool trick to point people's eyes to the link, so the link is kind of distinguished from the rest of the text. So this is how I created it. Also, read the entire email body, and if you think you can make it better, do it. But this really is, this is how it works. So after you have done everything, you've put your affiliate links, you've put this link right here, the next thing and the final step is to click submit the ad. So click that button, and booyah, look at this, we are ready to go. As we can see here at the top, we have a message or notification that says ad successfully submitted to 8,000 members. This is how simply it works. Of course, it's not going to be very targeted traffic, but it's free traffic to thousands of people every single day. And you can test this with multiple ClickBank offers, not only with this one, with the revision, but you can start experimenting with different offers like this one, Glucotrust, Hydro Essential, or whatever. So you have multiple offers to test for free with this to Hercules. And of course, it's not very targeted traffic, but it's free traffic. So free traffic always, it's not very targeted, that's why it's free. But if you want to scale this up to another level, I'm going to link other videos down in the description below with paid traffic, and I'm also going to link you another videos where I show different trainings and different tactics on how to use different methods, paid and free, to your advantage, and how to even make more money and how to double your conversions with the ClickBank platform. And if you're interested, all the links are going to be down in the description. And as well, I have a private training, one of the best trainings out there, I mean, in my opinion, because probably it's my training, which is A to Z ClickBank affiliate marketing training. So I'm taking a newbie and making it to a powerful, skilled affiliate in a matter of days. So if you want to check that out as well, it's going to be down in the description. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.